How's it going, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and what I have for you today is a very interesting knife from the Eafengrow line. That's the line that you can see plenty of on Amazon. This is the EF948, and it is really nice. I haven't seen anything on it on YouTube, but I thought I'd have to share it with you because this is really, really interesting. It's a thin knife and is really nice in the hand. Overall, we're looking at 8.11 inches, and the blade itself is 3.35 inches of D2. Handle is 4.76 inches, and the weight is only 2.95 ounces. So this blade width, it starts off very, very thin in the width of only 1/8 of an inch, and it comes to 3/4 of an inch. Has really nice jimping, and the spine of it is really nice. It's thicker than I imagined it would be. It comes off narrower right here after the jimping, but it comes out a little fuller for reinforcement of the tip on the spine. This is a needle, and they really did a good job on the edge here too, this D2. It's got a beautiful satin finish to it, and it's a really nice looking knife. Yep, D2. And this handle, even though it's a relatively thin knife, it does offer plenty of grip here. This is a liner lock, as you can see. The lockup is pretty excellent on it. It says it's with a ceramic ball bearing action, and I can believe that. It's got a nice blue pivot on this one. This is the Jade G10 model. Has a nice deep pocket clip, and it comes in and out of the pocket very nicely. Even though this is a thin steel for this pocket clip, it's pretty springy, and with that riding straight up, it's pretty nice. Not too much hardware on this really, just enough for the pivot and to reinforce that pocket clip and liner, or backspacer, which is also G10. This knife does come in also a black handle, a desert tan handle, a green handle, and of course this jade handle. I actually seen that right now this green handle version is only $19.99, but the other three colors go for $24.95. And for $24.95, you're getting quite a nice knife. This is it's very comfortable, surprisingly, in the hand, and it's got that's no fault of the knife. I just hit the rubber mark, but it comes out very fast. It's very comfortable for as thin as it is. Really fills the hand, and it does have this end piece here for pommel usage if you had to hit something. And yeah, it's a very nice knife. I think you would like it. I like it more than I thought I would, and it's really got some nice milling that's very comfortable in the hand, and that's on both sides. But this is it looks to be ambidextrous, so right hand and left hand usage. And man, the jimping on this is pretty impressive as well. But this is a really nice knife, and there you go. This is the EF948, and it's worth giving a look to, and it's considerably cheap. Feels like nothing in the pocket because it is so thin, but it's a good knife. It's a heck of a slim tanto point on there, but again, it's reinforced, and it's a good looking one. Very sharp. So there you go. That's the Eafengrow EF948. I'm Newcastle Ninja. Hope you liked the video. Please feel free to leave a like, subscribe, or comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.